Alert! There's a new stock crash that might have happened. Look at this article. So guys, this is the stock market today. The S&P 500, Nasdaq rise amid the trade war lull with flurry earning a day. U.S. stocks stepped higher on Monday as Wall Street kicked off of a packed week full of high-profile earnings and delayed raise of key inflation data. The Dow Jones Industrial Average nudged up roughly 0.4%, while the S&P 500 rose up to 0.5%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite also gained around 0.5%, with stocks coming off weekly wins. Wall Street was assessing the fallout from a major Amazon AWS outage on Monday morning, the ripple effect of which took platforms such as Robinhood offline. The cloud giant underpinned services as for a swath of top companies, and a huge reported disruption at websites ranging from United Airlines to Reddit. AWS operations are now returning to normal, the Amazon unit said. What's wrong? If you're back, you become famous over time. Markets are also setting aside a laundry list of worries to focus instead on earnings seasons, which shifts into high gear this week. Hopes are high with reports from Tesla, Intel, Netflix, and Coca-Cola leading the highlights on a busier roster. On a Monday, eyes will be on Zion's Bancorp's third quarter results due after the bell. The regional lender's disclosure of a bad loans linked to fraud last week spooked investors with concerns about U.S. credit quality. Alone, the trade war was front also provided solace. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said relations with Beijing have de-escalated and said U.S.-China talks are set to resume this week in Malaysia. On Sunday, President Trump listed the top issues for the U.S. rare earths, fentanyl, and soybeans, a sign the White House is continuing to soften stains that raise optimism that Trump's promised 100 additional tariffs on Chinese imports set for November 1st may not come to pass. This video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.